I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to deposit money into your Moan Finance account, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Open the Moan Finance app. Launch the Moan Finance app on your mobile device or visit the website on your computer. Make sure you're logged into your account. Step 2. Navigate to the funding section. Once you're in your account, locate the funding tab in the menu. This is where you can manage your deposits and transfers. Step 3. Select Add Funds. In the funding section, click on the Add Funds button. This will allow you to specify how much money you want to deposit. Step 4. Choose your deposit method. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 5. Confirm your deposit. Review the details of your deposit, then confirm the transaction. You should receive a notification once the funds are successfully added to your account. Just a heads up, if you're relinking a new bank account, it may take a few days for the verification process to complete. Happy investing!